Welding is a skill that is in demand in today's workforce. And did you know that the welding occupation ranks in the top 10 as an occupation with the most openings in Ohio? If you're good at close detail work and have a flair for constructing and an eye for art, you might enjoy a career in welding. Our program meets the American Welding Society's D1.1 standards. You will develop arc, MIG, and TIG skills that are essential to the job performance of entry-level welding and can earn certification for American Welding Society's structural certifications in MIG, TIG, and ARC processes, OSHA 10-hour general industry, and American Heart First Aid CPR. The program has an exceptionally high placement rate for those who successfully complete. Financial aid is available for those who qualify.